What is up guys, hello, I'm back with another video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you the best video editing software which you can get on your Linux distribution, which is actually based on Arch, Debian or Ubuntu or RPM based distribution. Any kind of Linux distribution, this amazing video editing software will work perfectly fine. I'll provide you all the commands down in the description so that you can actually copy and paste. So this video editing software is actually known as Shotcut video editing software, and the best thing about this video editing software is that guys, it's completely easy to use. It's a very powerful video editing software which offers so much kind of features, and it's very easy to use. It has a very good user interface, and in my opinion this is the best beginner friendly video editing software. I mean, a very easy to use video editing software in Linux, which is actually very good. It's a very powerful video editing software which supports many formats, it supports many transactions, and it's completely easy to use. Alright guys, so that's the contextualizing point which I just want to prove. So this video editing software, you can actually go to the official website. So I'm just going to go to this website. This is actually known as Shotcut video editing software. So you might have already come across this video editing software guys. Really appreciate downloading, installing this amazing video editing. So just give it a go and you will have a great time with this video editing software. So as you can see guys, it supports so much kind of format. So it supports 4K and it supports MP4, it supports different kinds of formats, and also you have audio formats. So it supports different audio formats, and it supports H265, H264 and many other encoders also. And also you have some of the video effects, and it shows you some of the features. So you can do trimming, you can do source, you can do merging, and you can edit your intros. And plus I'm making this video using this software guys. This is my personal software which I'm using to edit my videos. Alright guys, so I'll just show you a glimpse of how this video editing software works. I'm not going to go into like the advanced video editing, but I'm just going to show you a glimpse of me editing a small clip, and just do a test clip and show you some of the basic editing tools which many people will use. So yeah, let's go to this software. So I'll provide you all the commands down in the description guys, so that you can actually install it on your system. And also guys, I just want to say you another thing, that this software can be installed on a Windows computer and also on Mac computer. You can install it. Alright, so it's completely open source. You can get it on your Windows or your Mac based computer. So I'm just going to open up the software. As you can see, this is how the software will look like. So when you first of all open the software guys, it will actually ask you the directory where you have to save your edited videos. So I have choose home, archive and videos. Or like you can choose whatever the directory that you want on your system, so that you can actually save your videos. And also guys, after that what you need to do, you need to type in the project name. So I'm just going to be typing test345. and now what you need to do guys, you need to choose the video mode. So for this demonstration guys, I'm going to be choosing, you can choose whatever you want. You can choose HD, you can even choose 4K, but for this demonstration of showing you a glimpse of this video editing on this software, I'm going to be choosing HD 24 FPS. Alright guys, I'm just going to choose that, and I'm going to be clicking start. So now you can actually start video editing on this software. So first of all guys, after setting up everything, what you need to do, there will be an option called timeline. So you have to go to timeline and you have to choose add video track. So as you can see guys, now it created a track. So now you can add any kind of video to this track, and you can start playing around. You can start editing, you can start trimming, you can start adding background music, you can change the transition, you can do all this kind of stuff. So I'm going to be adding a demonstration, I'm going to be adding a test clip. So I'm just going to go to file, just go to file here and click open file, and you have to locate where your video has been saved on your directory. So I'm just going to open up this video and click open. Go for my channel. So I'm just going to, what you have to do guys, you need to just drag it and drop it on this section. As you can see, now it's actually been dragged, and as you can see, it detects the audio which is already been embedded on this video, as you can see. So what you can do guys, you can actually play around with the slider here. You can zoom the video like this, and you can zoom the video out using this zooming slider. So now what I'm going to be doing guys, I'm going to be adding another video. So as you can see, I'm just going to come to my slider. Just come here, and I'm going to be adding another video. So to add another video, what you need to do guys, you need to come back to file and just click on this button which says open file, and you need to choose your video. Alright guys, I'm just going to be choosing this video.
Run till I can't no.
So this is another video, so I'm just going to drag it and you can drop it here. So now as you can see guys, the video has been merged. So now what you can do, you can zoom this video. As you can see, it's zoomed, and you can actually play around with this video. So if I just play it,
Ride till I can't no more. I got the horses.
So basically the video has been merged. I can actually go back from the slider. Sorry guys, my mouse is a little bit. So it will actually merge and it will work.
Ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back.
So now what you can do guys, you can split this video. So I'm just going to show you how to split. You can come here, just drag the slider wherever you want to split the video. You can come here and just click on this button and just click on this button which says split. Alright guys, as you can see there is an option called split, and you can delete this clip if you want to. So now what this software does is actually completely splits that video and deletes the part which you want to delete. Alright guys, so now if you play this video again to start, it will only play the splitted video. The removed video will be completely removed. Alright guys, so that's a feature which you can do. Alright guys, so that's some of the basics like video editing options which many people do. And also guys, another thing you can do, you can add an audio track. So I'm just going to be adding an audio track for this demonstration. So as you can see, it created a new audio track here. So what you need to do, you need to open a file and you have to you need to choose your audio. So I'm just going to choose a demonstration audio here. I'm just going to go and choose something. Okay, so I don't have anything here. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to be choosing this audio. So what you need to do, you need to just drag this audio and just paste it on the audio section on your timeline. As you can see, just paste it here. Of course, the video is the audio is too long, so I'm just going to zoom it. Alright, so you can come here and you can also split the audio. So just come here and just click on this button which says split, and you can delete this part. And if you play the video, you can see guys, everything's actually been played. So now what you can do guys, you can control the sound. You can control the sound, the background. Just imagine that you're making a background music on your video, so you have to control the sound, of course. So what you need to do guys, you need to come here to filters, and you need to click on this button which says add. Just click on that button, and now what you need to do, there will be an option called gain/volume. Okay, you're going to click on that button. Alright guys, so now what you need to do guys, you need to choose you need to of course choose the negative dB so that it actually plays very low. So I'm just going to be choosing 11 dB. Alright guys, this is the filter which I just applied on my music. So now if I play the video, I won't hear the music because I have reduced the volume. Or it will be playing on the background, but it won't be distracting the actual video. The video is playing very nicely, and the music is actually being played on the background. So if you increase the volume to, for example, like 11 dB, let's see what happens. Listen to the video, you only can listen to the music because it's completely like high. As you can see guys, you saw that completely distorted the music, completely distorted the video. So you can control the music volume, and you can do all this kind of stuff when you're making a video. So this is some of the basics guys using this video editing software. Definitely recommend you to check this out. Shotcut video editing software guys. I just showed you some of the basic and some of the glimpse of editing using this software. So you can actually learn more, you can watch many tutorials, and it's actually very easy to use guys. That's exactly what I have to say you. So after making the video guys, what you can do, you can click on this button which says file, and you can export this video. And now what you need to do guys, you need to choose, if you're making a YouTube video, you can just click on this button which says YouTube, and it will automatically do everything for you. Alright guys, if you're making another kind of video, you can choose H265, high profile, main profile, and also you can choose H265 format. Alright guys, and depending on your encoder and stuff, you can choose, and you can choose the audio as AAC advanced audio codec or MP3 or whatever the audio the audio format that you need. You can choose, and you can choose. Make sure guys you click on this button which says use hardware encoder, so that you can get the best. You can use your computer hardware to encode the video, and you have to just click on this button which says export file, and you need to choose the location where you need to export. Alright guys, you can choose wherever you want and just click save, and it will start exporting. As you can see, it started to export. So as you can see, it's showing the directory where this exported video has been saved. You can double click on it, check the video. So I'm just going to see where it's saved here. So it's saved on my videos, so I can go to my directory. If I go to my videos, so as you can see guys, it's actually been saved here. Oh wait, I'm just going to check. Yeah, this is actually the video. If I open it using a VLC player,
without boarding pass, couldn't catch me, I be moving fast.
Ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back.
so this is actually a demonstration, a glimpse of how to use this software. This is a demonstration of me just showing you how to use some of the basic video editing option which people use using this software. So you can actually watch different kind of tutorials on YouTube, and you can easily master the software guys, because it's actually very easy to use. And in my opinion, I think that this is one of the best beginner friendly. If you're looking for a video editing software which is actually very easy to use and it has so much features, you need something like a powerful video editing software, and it should be easy to use. You can actually go for this video editing software and you'll have a great time using this editor. So that's all about this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask me down in the comment section. I'll respond to your question. I'm a new YouTuber, so I'm really appreciating your support guys, so that I can improve myself on my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.